My name is B-Walk and welcome back to Cop Your Coin, where I show you how to copy your coin in the fastest growing market in world history. Let's get it. Today I want to talk about XRP, a quick update video on what I talked about earlier in the week. XRP is an altcoin. One of the altcoins that we're doing is limited series on the altcoins, and in particular I wanted to look at plays, kind of give you an update on what I'm expecting. As I say, I always like to look at the market top down, so I look at coin market cap, kind of look at where we are. Certainly the market cap is still at 221 billion, and XRP itself is still in third position at 21 billion, holding steady at the 53-cent point. Now what I wanted is to bring to your attention is when I had talked about XRP before, and I spoke about it being able to hold this line. I talked about it it had a breakout, and as you see, it ran all the way up here to 80 cents, but since it's pulled back, but it has been able to hold above this resistance line, which has now since become support. And that's a key point. So as I look at this is a daily chart right now, and I'm going to the hourly charts, you can see get a better perspective on kind of what's going on. And as you see, it's been bouncing back and forth here and here. And what's key about this time frame is that there's going to be a conference here coming up in the next few days. And that conference is Swell, being held in San Francisco, and it's going to be held on October 1st through October 2nd. As soon as that comes up right here, hold on just a second. Here we go. So yeah, the conference, what we have here is a conference called Swell, which is being held by Ripple, the major holder of XRP, and it's a conference running from October 1st to October 2nd. What I like to draw your attention to is markets trade. It's easier to trade and make a position, build a position on news. And that's what you have right here. There's a possible news event that's going to happen here. I don't know what's going to come out of this, but based on this fundamental news that's going to happen here in October 1st, October 2nd, and looking at the charts, as you can see, we're heading towards that time. I can imagine that this price compression is going to go back and forth, and it could go one or two ways. Now, if something newsworthy comes out, like say another bank, I know PNC already said that they were looking at adding RippleNet or using a Ripple's payment system for their international products. If you have some of the news come like that, another bank joins or something else comes out, that could be the catalyst that Ripple needs to move higher. At the same time, if nothing comes out of that conference, nothing newsworthy, again, it could have something that could drop. So when I look at that position and just kind of preparing myself, I'm starting to build a position right here. Now, this is certainly just what I'm doing. This is not advice that you need to do. Certainly, you need to research that for yourself. But based on what I'm seeing right here, there's an opportunity here to begin to build a position in whatever you believe that might happen. In my personal opinion, I think it's a good chance that it moves to the upside. At any rate, I'm going to be long Ripple anyway, but this would be a great opportunity to capture a great move and gain some profits. So I just want to give this quick video, kind of get an insight. I know some of you have been talking about B-Walk, what are you looking at? This is a play. This is one play that I'm looking at right now, and I know I just talked about it earlier this week. And Ripple has been doing exactly what we thought it would do. It's been holding this line. The next level would be right above here, is at 68. Now you see it got briefly above that, but it couldn't hold it. I imagine that if the news comes out that's bullish enough, it will go through this and hold that level. So we'll see. Again, if it goes down, if it breaks down below here, expect it to retest back down to the 35-cent, 37-cent level. That's where the previous resistance was. I don't know that it'd get all the way back down to 26 cents. That was pretty low. It could, but those are kind of the lines of demarcation, if you will, that I am currently looking at. Okay, so that's just a quick update. Wanted to give you an idea kind of what I'm doing, and stay tuned for the next video on the next altcoin. All right, take care.